Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hearts for you all. So guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my gel box. It's a new month and so it's a new theme. OMG guys, look at all the sweets. You call it candy in America, but I was thinking, okay, this is going to be like what, candy colors or jelly colors. And I was wondering if there were going to be sweets in there. And yes, so let's get into this unboxing. Now, I absolutely love the gel box because every month it's a new theme. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Look at her face. Oh my good gosh. No, this box is so super cute. So I got these wipes, these lint-free wipes, and they're in the shape of a heart. And they are pink. So I'm loving that. And some little charms. Now you get some donuts, some strawberries. Looks like that looks like a cake, like a gâteau, and some other fun donuts and pieces, which I feel will go absolutely cute with any design using the colors, which I can't wait to get into. So this is cool because you could actually map out your design on that little postcard, and you also get an inspo for this month. So this is, it's a design. If you don't know what you want to do, they give you a little nail inspo every month. So, it's always fun. I normally just do my own take on it. So what else did we get? I got a little detailer brush. And I just love this because it's giving all the mermaid vibes, all the Charm Sister colors, and some of my Charm Sisters are mermaids. So yeah, and it actually matches some stuff that Envy got me. So I'm so happy with this. And I got a Chupa Chups lollipop, and I only got one, which is fine. But guys, I cannot share if I only have one. So it's all mine. So anyway, I'm going to get the colors out. And this first one is Bubblegum Daiquiri. Ooh, wow. And the next one is Fraise Tagada. These sound like cocktails, honestly. Just beautiful, beautiful shades. And we have Cotton Candy. So that's like candy floss, giving all the pink vibes. And last but not least, sprinkles. Of course you need sprinkles. It's the perfect topping for everything. So I am going to basically just get everything out and we're going to swatch these colours. Ooh, I nearly forgot my cuticle oil. You always get a cuticle oil, and obviously this month I haven't smelt it yet, but I am going to smell it. So before this voiceover is over, I will let you know what it smells like, and I'm sure it's going to be like sprinkles or bubblegum. So everything's nice and swatched, and I did do a matte swatch, and I did use sprinkles as a topper on all of the colors, just so you can see how gorgeous is that matte. In matte, it just looks like real candy, and even in glossy, The sprinkles absolutely went well with all three colors, and even on its own, as you'll see, absolutely looks beautiful in matte and in glossy. That brings me to the end of this video, guys. Please stay tuned, keep your bells on, and so when I upload, you'll be notified. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but it's got to be cute and just like really candy, right? Mama Does Nails loves you, and I'm out. Please catch me in the next one, and feel free to use and share my 15% discount code. All right, guys, I'm out. Bye, everyone. Oh, my days, guys. It smells like bubblegum. Gosh, this is the best cuticle oil I've got in my gel box yet, and this is my 4th box. Bubblegum.